How to unfollow someone on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to discuss on how you can exactly go ahead and unfollow someone on TikTok. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your TikTok application on your mobile device and also make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on your profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you do that, you will be taken to your profile page. Go to your following list that is beside the followers option in the left hand side of the screen, that is above the edit profile option, and you will see the list of people or any profile that you're following on TikTok. Now from the list that appears, go ahead and tap on the profile that you'd like to unfollow on TikTok. Now go ahead and tap on this user icon with the settings icon. Tap on that and you will see the option of customize name and unfollow. Go ahead and tap on unfollow and you'll be done. Now to follow this user again, you need to tap on this follow that is highlighted in red color and you will be following this account again. And if you want to unfollow, simply tap on this user icon, then tap on unfollow and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.